My name is Joao, Vice President of Asset Management. I work with the group IFA, Hotels and Resorts. Our company is around 40 years old. We've been investing in hospitality projects since the late 80s. We started with Pine Cliffs in Europe. It was one of the emblematic projects that the group developed. That today is a franchise under the Luxury Collection. So definitely one of the trophy assets. But our group, Kuwaiti-based group, has also entered into Dubai in the beginning of the development of Palm Jumeirah, opened Fermata Palm, then early 2013. And from there we also diversified. We acquired the brand Yotel, so it's part of our group as well. So we have hotels in New York with Yotel, and eventually the brand took off and is today one of the new upcoming brands with in that, especially entering into that tech field. So quite
And here we are at Future Hospitality Summit in Riyadh. How important is this event to you?
Look, it's the first time we have a stand in FHS. We've been here before, but this year definitely we wanted to have the stand. We're already in FHS Dubai for the last 3 years. I was very surprised. This is today the second day. Yesterday we had probably more leads out of one single day than in the whole event in Dubai in the last couple of years. And what was interesting for us was that not only the leads were for Saudi, but also for the region. So people actually interested in third-party hotel management in UAE. And so yeah, it was a very interesting day. It's an opportunity for us to. It's an opportunity for us to showcase our recently third-party operator company, United Hospitality Management, which we created in the last 3 years, and also for Trilight, a new asset management company that we're opening up.
We're in such a dynamic market. Tell me a little bit about some of the kind of key trends that you're seeing.
Trends. I mean, look. Since COVID, I think everybody started looking more into hotel apartments. Our group has invested in a couple of them in the last 2 years. Definitely helps the segmentation, helps during the lower seasonality. We've been looking into diversifying a little bit our portfolio. I think that helps you a little. What I think is also interesting in trends that we have seen is that the reliance on the brand.com is more and more. There's more and more focus on brands that have a contribution with their brand.com. We've partnered recently with IFA. And quite happy with the Vignette Collection brands that we've opened with them. So I think developers are nowadays much more engaged and looking into cluster synergies as well, in sharing resources between hotels. And again, United Hospitality Management and the third-party operators, I think, are pivotal for that, for the franchise development and growth in the region, which I think, and I'll probably end there, I think is probably where I see the biggest trend happening is the growth of franchising agreements in lieu of the HMA, typical HMAs that the region was very famous for.